Okay, guys, I'm testing here my Mavic Air 2S with the two Imalent D70 lights, and see how much weight. They're pretty light. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take off. They're off right now. Let me take off. Yep, took off no problem. They're not on right now. I'm just testing. Look at how it looks like. They're attached with Velcro, industrial Velcro. They are 4,000 lumen each. Look at that. Let's see how we respond up and down. Yep, no problem. Look at that. Straight up. Let's go down. I'm in sport mode right now. Let me put it in normal mode. Normal now. Wow, no problem. Now I'm gonna turn it on, the lights, see how they looks like. Let's land the drone. Let's see. No error message. I put this for a second here. Turn on the light. Double click. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're locked. They're on turbo now. Take off. Whoa. This is freaking bright. That's bright. Wow. Let me go back. I'm with one hand. Look at that. I mean, the cell phone doesn't make justice, but this is freaking bright. I cannot wait to test that at night. That's freaking bright. I cannot see that wrong, but it's just the beam. Let me go forward. That's insane. That's insane. And they're so light. Look at that. Unbelievable bright. Unbelievable bright. I'm gonna be doing more testing at night.